The current time is 11:49 p.m. Central Standard Time.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serve St. Louis and surrounding areas. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis, St. Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities. The rest of tonight, very cold, mostly clear, low around 2 below, light wind. Friday, very cold, partly cloudy, high around 18, light wind. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow, low around 14. Light wind in the evening becoming southeast around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow, high in the lower 30s. South wind around 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy, low around 18. West wind around 10 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning then becoming partly sunny, high in the mid-20s. Sunday night, colder, partly cloudy, low around 5. Monday, very cold, partly sunny, high around 18. Monday night and Tuesday, mostly cloudy, low around 8, high in the lower 20s. Tuesday night through Wednesday night, partly cloudy, low around 14, high around 30. Thursday, partly cloudy, high in the upper 30s. Again, the forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis, St. Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities for rest of tonight, very cold, mostly clear, low around 2 below, light wind. At 11 p.m. at Lambert Field, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 5 degrees. The dew point was -6, giving us relative humidity of 60%. The wind was west at 3 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.50 inches and falling. Elsewhere in the metro area, in Chesterfield it was partly cloudy, and the temperature was -3. In Belleville it was -2 degrees. In Cahokia it was partly cloudy, and -3 degrees. In St. Charles it was partly cloudy and -3. Across the region, it was partly cloudy in Columbia, Missouri, with a temperature of 2. In Quincy it was partly cloudy and -2 degrees. In Kansas City it was cloudy and the temperature was 3. It was partly cloudy in Springfield, Missouri, with a temperature of 3. In Rolla, it was partly cloudy and the temperature was 2. In Farmington it was 1 degree. It was clear in Cape Girardeau, with 11 degrees. It was partly cloudy in Springfield, Illinois, with a temperature of -5. Once again in St. Louis, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 5 degrees and the wind was west at 3 miles an hour. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern and central Missouri as well as west central and southwest Illinois. For tonight, wind chill values are expected to drop down to between 15 and 20 below zero late this evening and overnight for many locations in northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. Please see the wind chill advisory for additional information. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. Wind chill values between 15 and 20 below zero will persist through Friday morning for many locations in northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. Please see the wind chill advisory for additional information. Snow is likely across a portion of northeast Missouri and west central Missouri on Saturday with light snow accumulation possible. Wind chill values will likely fall to around 15 below zero late Sunday night and early Monday morning across a portion of northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. Spotter activation is not anticipated through tonight.
The current time is 11:54 p.m. Central Standard Time.